Hi, Mia. How are you today?
I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, by the way. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early. What do you do after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast.
Sounds good. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have bread, eggs, and a cup of coffee.
Nice. Do you exercise in the morning?
Not every day, but I often go for a short walk.
That's a healthy habit.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh and active.
What do you do after that?
I start my work at 9 o'clock.
And what do you do in the evening?
I spend some time with my family, watch videos, and read a book.
That sounds like a balanced routine.
Thank you. What about you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock and start my day with coffee.
That's a good start too.
Thanks for sharing your routine with me.
You're welcome. It was nice talking to you.
Mini story. Mia has a simple daily routine. She wakes up at 6:30 every morning. After brushing her teeth and taking a shower, she eats breakfast. She usually has bread, eggs, and coffee. Sometimes, Mia goes for a short walk before work. She says it helps her feel active and ready for the day. In the evening, she spends time with her family, watches videos, and reads a book. Leo likes Mia's routine because it is simple, healthy, and easy to follow. Practice time. Repeat after me. What time does Mia wake up? What does she do after waking up? What does Mia usually eat for breakfast? Does she exercise every day? Why does Mia go for a walk? What does she do in the evening? Repeat after me. What time does Mia wake up? What does she do after waking up? What does Mia usually eat for breakfast? Does she exercise every day? Why does Mia go for a walk? What does she do in the evening? Try answering these questions. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you exercise in the morning? What do you do after work or school? What is your daily routine?